Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm so sorry for not making content for a long time. I guess it's been three weeks. You're right. So I just moved to a place in here, and I'm so sorry for that. And now I would just want to make video for how to make plan. Okay, how to make plan for your future, because I just so many people, especially for young people like my friends or my families, they are still young but they don't know how to make plan for the future to get successful. And I just want to share what I think from my experience, what I did before. That's I guess it's going to be useful. I don't say this is the best way for you to do, but at least you can get a little bit of reference, some references. Okay, so let's continue to video. Okay, so here, how to make plan. Okay, how to make plan. First, you need to have the mental. Okay, from here, what is that? You need to be ready to be wrong. Okay, so before we continue to the points, you need to be ready to be wrong in your journey, because you will get so many mistakes, you will make so many mistakes when you start something new. And after this, okay, learn. So you will make mistakes, you will be wrong, but don't forget to learn, because making mistakes doesn't mean you fail. That's what I learned. Never think like, oh, I make mistake and I fail. No, it's not like that. You just need to continue and learn. Okay, learn from your mistake and just do it. Okay, let's continue to the points. Okay, so here, be ready to be wrong in your journey and learn. Okay, making mistakes doesn't mean you fail. That's what you need to get in your mindset. It's all about mindset. So if you want to start your journey, be ready to be wrong. Let's continue to the points. Make sure that you make answer these questions on paper. Okay, don't use notes or your phone or your computer, laptop, something like that. Use paper, because it's gonna be different. Okay, I suggest you to use paper. First, what is my talent? What is my talent? Field or your field. You need to ask this. What is my talent? So before you start your journey to get successful, to make plan, ask yourself, what is my talent? What can I do? Here, for example, me, because this is more from my experience. At that time, I looked for my talent or my field, that is language, and I chose English and Arabic. Because of what? If you don't know your talent, it's gonna be really hard for you to do the journey, because you don't like that, right? You need to find something you like for holding it in a long time. So language, I like language, I like English, I like Arabic. I will learn this, but now I'm still learning English. I find this language. That's the first thing. Now for the second, okay, who is the best in my field? I was asking myself, who is the best in my field? Okay, I found Duolingo here now. You know, Duolingo is like application that you can use for learning language, and I don't know this is the best or not, but I guess one of the biggest application or one of the biggest platform that we can use for learning. And who are the founders? Louis Vonant and Severin Hacker. So this is the CEO and CTO. And they are good at computer and then like technology. I'm not really good at that, That's why I need to find who is the best in my field, which is language. And I found Duolingo. Oh, since 2011, Duolingo. So if you find your best person or the best whatever is that in your field, you can copy them. You can learn from them. Oh, what they do to get that level. So that's the second thing. And then the third, what tools and technology can I use? Because now we are in modern era, and I'm as Gen Z. I cannot be lived by this technology. So for me, I'm not really good at technology. I'm so low for that. What I know, what I can use sometimes ChatGPT and the tools and technology that I can use. I can use CapCut for making content. I can use ChatGPT for making content too. Sometimes I learn from ChatGPT and etc. You can find it. You need to find your tools, like me, Tripod, my phone, and then ChatGPT, CapCut, something like that. You can look for that first. Okay, I know my talent or my field. I know who is the best. I know what tool that I can use, what I have now, and that I can use that for continue my journey. And then the next, who is my competitor? You need to find them. Like for example, from me, first, of course, my friends here, and then other students, and then other courses. That's my competitor. So because I know my competitors, I can know what should I do. So here's the last thing. What should I do from now? So you have found this, right? Your talent. You know your talent. You know who is the best. You know the tools that you can use here. And then you know your competitors, like my friends, other students, other courses. So what should you do? Like me here are some things that I do. First, I need to make content for personal branding. Actually, I have no idea with personal branding, but what I know, personal branding is just you just make content, right? So I tried that. I'm trying that now, and I learn English, speaking, grammar, listening, reading, writing, everything about English. I need to learn. Learn how to manage time, because I need so many things to do, right? I have so many things to do, so I need to learn how to manage my time. That's what I do now. I'm learning for that. Learn how to teach people, how to teach English, how to teach everything, right? And then learn how to use technology. This is my struggle now. Technology. I'm so low in this, so I'm not good at this. I'm so bad and at technology. So this is like the things that I try to learn now, because you after finding this, you need to get this all. I mean, you need to know what should I do, and I'm giving you the examples from me, and you can make in your side by yourself, make content, and then maybe I can like learn here how to be my competitors. Here I can learn how to beat my competitors, because life is competition. Life is a competition. You need to make that mindset in your brain, because if you want to get successful, you have to be the winner, right? Like in school, university, We were trying to get the best ranking. So everything is competition. So you need to learn how to beat everyone. Like for me, my friends, I need to beat them in English, in my field. Other students, other courses, I'm still trying to do that. I learn what should I do? What should I do next? What they don't do that they should do. Okay, they don't do this, so I need to do this. Oh, they don't work very hard. Okay, I need to work very hard. Oh, they don't learn about this. Oh, I need to learn this and this and everything like that. So these are the points that you need to find the answers. So first, how to make plan. Mental, be ready to be wrong in your journey and learn, because making mistakes doesn't mean you fail. Find your talent. Me, language. Who is the best? Duolingo. Maybe in the future I will make like this or better. And then what tools that I have that I can use. Me, in my situation now, I just can use ChatGPT, CapCut, something free. I cannot pay that. I don't have any money. Who is my competitors? My friends, other students, our courses, or maybe other teachers. And what should I do from now? Okay, I need to make content to make personal branding, right? Because it's so important now. Learn English, speaking, grammar, learn how to manage time, learn how to teach, learn how to use technology, learn how to beat my competitors. That's all. So that's how you make plan. Now you can start from now. After watching this video, don't continue scrolling, okay? Please, don't continue scrolling. Take your paper, write down all these things, okay? And then fine. And then after you get your plan, please share that in the comments so I can know what should I make for the next. Maybe you can ask something that if I can answer that, I will try to answer. So that's all from me. Thank you very much for your watching. So see you on the other side. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.